put a TM on my logo without registering it? Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez. I'm a trademark lawyer helping you with your online and offline business. Don't forget to hit subscribe. So can you put a TM on your logo even though you haven't registered it with the United States Patent and Trademark Office? The answer is really simple. Yes, you can. But why can you? You see, TM is very different than an SM, and a TM is also very different than a circle R. The reason they are different from each other is because they mean very different things. A TM, for example, a TM means it has not been registered, but it is a placeholder only, either for that business name or for that logo or for that slogan while it gets registered or until somebody decides that they want to register it. So let's say I want to start an ice cream brand called Ice Cream Doo-Doo. I am going to put the TM placeholder next to Ice Cream Doo-Doo. So whenever you see Ice Cream Doo-Doo out in the marketplace, or let's say you decide to go on my website, Ice Cream Doo-Doo, and buy Ice Cream Doo-Doo, you're going to see a TM symbol on the upper right next to Ice Cream Doo-Doo, just like you see here on the screen right now. The reason you see a TM is because I have not yet acquired a registration for Trademark Doo-Doo. So let's say I've submitted an application. Would I still keep the TM symbol or do I need to change it? And my answer is the same, guys. If you do not have a registered trademark yet, then you can only use the TM symbol for a product-based business or anything that is physical. So most of the time that's something that you can ship. Let's say you sell notebooks, merchandise, clothing, hats, keychains, pens, pencils, anything like that, then it's going to be a TM because a TM is reserved for tangible products, while an SM is for service-based businesses that have not yet registered their trademarks. So let's say Ice Cream Doo-Doo. Remember, before I acquire a trademark registration for my ice cream shop, I'm going to be using the SM symbol because it is a service-based business. I am providing a service to sell ice cream. So an SM and a TM basically hold the same weight, which means that you are going to use either one of those before you actually use a circle R. So let's say I submit my applications and I finally get that trademark certificate. I want you to know that this is the official trademark registration certificate issued by the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and it's really important for you to see what it looks like because they used to mail them to you by snail mail. They do not do that anymore. You can request a copy, but it's not automatic that you actually receive one. So I want you to see what it looks like. You will be able to see and receive it digitally, and there's that. But let's say you have a logo. You just designed this logo. It's so pretty. You want to make sure that you put others on notice that you are using it. Then what do? Is it okay to put the TM symbol on that logo? If you are selling products or services in association with a particular logo, then it is okay to put either the TM or the SM symbol next to your logo. It will all depend, again, on whether it's tangible products or whether it's a service-based business. Because if it's a service-based business, you're going to use an SM next to the logo. And if you're selling products, then you're going to use a TM. Now, once you actually acquire a registered trademark from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and if you need help doing that, I'd be more than happy to help, you will be able to use the circle R. But if you haven't received that certificate, then please do not use the circle R. Nobody's allowed to use it unless they have a trademark certificate from the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Now, I have been helping entrepreneurs secure those. So if you need help because you don't feel comfortable doing it on your own, make sure you scroll down into the description below. So if you want more details on the differences between a TM and an SM, make sure to catch that video right there because I go into a lot more detail than I do on this video. But you need to know what those differences are because you want to make sure you're using it the right way. You want to put people on notice that you're using a particular logo or a particular business name or slogan or tagline, but do it in the right way. So either a TM or an SM is going to be the right way, but for more nuanced details, which I know you're going to want to learn about, make sure that you catch that video right there. It's short and sweet.